What's going on? It's Sam's Diecast Showroom here. Today we're going to be cracking open some Bone Shakers by Hot Wheels. We have both of these colors from the HW Game Over series from 2019. Alright, the first color is red, the second color is gray. Have both of these variations out here. And I've been collecting a lot of the Bone Shakers. It's been a casting that's growing on me. And just because of how popular it is, I'm trying to collect a lot of colors of it. Not too hard to get a decent amount of colors because it's such a popular casting, released a lot. HW Game Over from 2019, number 4 of 5. Best for track, 117 of 250 for 2019. And let's see, HW Game Over, whether on your device or in real life, these speedsters go for the win. Right. And Game Over series, is that like cars that are playable in Hot Wheels Unleashed? I'm not sure. And this second one, best for track as well, nothing much different about the packaging. This one's from K Case, the first one was from F Case. Yeah, not really much of a difference. These are 2019 vehicles. The copyright says 2017 because they introduced this card art in 2018. So the copyright on the back is for the packaging, which was designed in 2017, released in 2018. They re-released this packaging designed for 2019. Just to clear some confusion there. And here we go. Let's crack this red one open first. Going to be an awesome addition to my Bone Shakers collection. And actually, we're going to crack both of them at the same time and take a look at them. That was a very easy pop open. Got to pop it and drop it. There we go. How are we doing these opens? Very nice. It looks like it was never opened. You just pop it back in there, glue it up, and no one will know. But I'm a loose collector, so don't really plan on putting these back in the packaging. Alright, first one is red. Looks like just an enamel gloss red kind of color. Chrome interior, gotta love the 8 cylinders and the 4 pipes on each side. That's always cool. Bone Shaker. Casting's been out since 2006. Became an instant favorite of collectors. This has the gold deep dish 8-spoke wheels. Take a look at the designs there. Open roof casting. A lot of these are open roofs. Some of them are closed roofs. Depends on the release though. It's not like there's variations within one release. Skull on the front. Gotta love that. Number 3, black and gold. There's a skull, crossbones there. Pretty awesome. There's the back. Kind of a pickup truck kind of vehicle. There we go. Very nice. That is the first color in red, this Bone Shaker. An interesting color base. Looks like a metallic gray plastic base. Plastic. Yeah. There we go. L49 base code. 49th week of 2018 this was released. Or manufactured, rather. There we go. Alright, and this one, it's kind of, oh, this is a matte metallic gray. A matte gray. Red chrome DD8 wheels. Deep dish 8 spokes. Number 3 on the side once again. Same kind of decals, tampos, whatever you want to call them. Pretty nice. Chrome interior. And pretty much the only difference is they swapped the color of the wheels and the body. But still awesome to have 2 Bone Shakers loose in the collection. And this one just has a solid black plastic base. Here's a comparison of the 2. Which one do you like more? Probably would have to be the gray one for me. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Of course, go check out my other videos. I have quite a few other ones. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, y'all.